we meet again. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Jibo, or WJ4.
Hi guys, so what are we doing today? Another unboxing?
Yes, and I can't wait to see what we got this time.
Alright, then let's unbox it. Ta-da! Oh wow, look at this.
It's 3-in-1, cordless food chopper, blender, and grinder.
Do you know what that means?
That means we can now prepare a variety of foods and drinks using just these 3-in-1 units.
Yes, and do you want to show everyone what inside this box?
Absolutely. Let's see what we have to work with.
Alright, so we're gonna get started with this.
Here we have an instruction booklet, a QR code for you to scan and activate a membership to receive an exclusive benefits.
And we're gonna move on to this components here.
A motor unit and a glass bowl lid. A glass bowl with blades holder component. A lid for juice cup and a portable juice cup with blades holder component. Then we have a grinding cup with blades holder component.
Okay, and lastly we have a charging cable, so make sure that the motor unit is fully charged before using. Okay, so this is the main motor, and make sure that it's fully charged before you start using it. To charge it, grab the charging cable and then turn this main unit upside down, and here's the charging port, and all you gotta do is plug this in like that.
Also, please read the safety instructions inside the booklet to ensure your safety and a smooth operations. Otherwise, you may end up like Grogu.
And also don't forget to clean all the washable parts before using them.
We will be back with an exciting recipe. Please stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back to our unboxing and reviewing of Greecho 3-in-1 cordless food and drink processor with one of our favorite recipes.
Hi everyone and welcome back. So what are we making?
It's a spicy, roasted red pepper dip or spread, and the hot pepper is always optional. We just happen to love spicy food in this house.
This is what I call a late night snack with no regrets. So what do we have here?
Here we have 1 cup of sliced, roasted red sweet peppers.
Smell good.
1 cup of rinsed and drained cannelloni beans.
White beans.
About ½ cup of sliced, fresh sweet basil.
You can use all of this if you like.
2 cloves of garlics.
This is sliced garlics.
2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
And it's about 2 slices.
3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Yes. This is important.
And 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. And lastly, what is my favorite ingredient? Can you guess?
What is it? Don't tell me you're going to add those hot chili peppers.
Yes, of course. I love it. Well, it can be optional, but for me, it adds flavor to the food.
Alright then, as long as I don't have to eat it too.
First, go ahead and remove that. And this part right here is to this right here. Okay, so see that? So let's go like that. Alright, when you are ready, let's get started. So first we're gonna go ahead and remove the blade from the container, and then we're gonna add the first ingredient, the roasted peppers, beans, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and then add lemon juice. I love basil, so I'm gonna put probably all of them in there. Cilantro here, which is optional. I mean, I know some people don't like cilantro, but I'm just gonna add some cilantro in here. And keep in mind that not to put anything in the container beyond the max line. And this is my favorite ingredients, guys. Hot chili pepper. Alright. And we're gonna put extra virgin olive oil. Smells so good already. Okay, this is the lid. So the way you put it on is you put it on like on this side down, and then you place it. Make sure it's tight, okay? And then you're gonna turn this upside down. Okay. I really like this cordless ability, and the glass bowl is BPA free. If you need longer time to process specific food, you can keep this motor running 60 seconds at a time.
Oh wow, that looks fantastic. I wish I can smell it too.
I wish the same to you.
So now we are going to show everyone how to use the grinder component.
This is grinder component.
Here we have your favorite ingredient, roasted, dried, Thai chili peppers.
Ooh, this looks good.
We're going to put it in a grinder cup.
And close this lid. Lid on. See, because I like to grind my own hot peppers, so I can use it later on. Gonna go ahead and put the cover back on here at the bottom. Make sure that it's tight, okay? Like you can't pull it apart, when it's tight. And what you have to do is just put this in here and then twist it, twist it tight. Go ahead and grind it. Wow. Wow. It's really fun. Oh my god. It's very fine. So be careful when you handle hot pepper, okay? Hold on. I need some drink.
And now, we're on the third part, which is the blender component.
And what are we making?
Let's make it simple. How about we can make a mocha iced coffee smoothie?
Oh, that sounds great. So what's in this mocha iced coffee smoothie?
For iced coffee smoothie, we add about a cup of crushed iced and about 3/4 cup of brewed coffee of your choice. Then, add about 1/3 cup of half and half
cream. Half and half.
Next, we add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder.
About 2 teaspoons.
And to sweeten up the coffee smoothie, we add some agave syrup or any sweetener of your choice.
So this is similar to the sugar in the raw. Alright, once we have everything in here, we're gonna go ahead and turn it upside down. Go ahead and tighten it. And are we ready? If we're ready, go ahead and drum roll, please.
Yes, I'm ready. Let's roll.
And there you have it. And here's our iced coffee. Thanks for watching, guys.
And there you have it. Greecho 3-in-1 food choppers, blenders, and grinders. We hope you enjoy this video, and we will be doing a giveaway video pretty soon on this portable 3-in-1 food processor, blender, and grinder combo. As always, thank you guys for watching this video until the end. Be safe, and stay healthy, love you all, and stay tuned for our next giveaway.
Bye, guys. We should try it.